On this video, I configured the Flutter tools and create a demo app. So let us start. Go to Flutter official website. See here there are options for selecting OS, Windows, Mac. I select Windows because my OS is Windows. And the system requirements section, you can see the operating system, disk space, and tools. We need to install Windows PowerShell and Git. You can go to this link and download the package and install it. I already installed these packages. Then download the Flutter SDK file. Once it downloaded, extract the file. Copy that Flutter folder. Then go to local disk C folder. There create a src folder. Go to inside that one and paste the Flutter folder. Next, update your path. On the edit environment variable section, you can update the path of the Flutter. So open environment variable window. Here open this one and you will get this window. Here you can see the path section. I am already done the path. If you have not done, then you can create new path. You can run Flutter Doctor on command prompt, but you will got the Android SDK missing error now. So we next to install the Android Studio. Go to that website and download, then install. It will take some more time to install. I already installed the Android Studio. Once it installed, you can open the Android Studio. Then you will get this window. Next, set up Android emulator. So go to AVD manager. We have already one virtual device. I'm creating one more. Go to AVD manager window. Here you can create virtual devices. Click create button. Then you will get this window and you can select one from here. will take some more time. You can wait here. After finish, you can see the device is created. You can run it from here. This is our virtual device. Okay, also you can run from your mobile app using USB debugger. Check Dart and Flutter installed on your Android Studio. Go to Android SDK. Then you must install this tool. Otherwise you will get the error. Okay, finish. Then agree to Android license. We need to install Java 8. You must install it. You can go to this link and download and install it. I already installed it. Then we need to update the Java home path. So go to environment variable again. Then here you can see system variables. There's a Java home variable. Actually you can create it from new section. I'm already done it. This is my Java path. You must add variable name as Java underscore home. Then here save the path. Then okay. After that, go to command prompt and run Flutter Doctor. On this window, I got the Android license unknown error, but it's not a problem. I can run the Flutter project. I'm creating the Flutter projects on Visual Studio Code, so I open it, then Ctrl Shift P create a new Flutter app. Select the folder for location. Okay, now create a Flutter demo app. Let's run it. Clicking the F5 button. It's debugging mode. Wait for some time, because the first time it will take some more time for running our application. Okay, see, the demo app is working. You can change the caption name. Okay, it's working. On the upcoming videos, let's create a Flutter application. So let's wind up here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.